Billionaire skills. Master the secrets of the ultra-rich. Welcome, aspiring entrepreneurs and wealth enthusiasts. In this enlightening discourse, we'll delve into the extraordinary abilities that have propelled them to the pinnacles of prosperity. Prepare to be inspired as we unravel the key insights and strategies that empower billionaires to transcend conventional limitations and amass unfathomable wealth. With an open mind and a thirst for knowledge, you too can begin to master these invaluable skills and chart your own path to abundance and financial independence. Emotional intelligence. This is a vital skill among billionaires, setting them apart from the rest. It involves understanding and managing emotions effectively, leading to wise decision-making and inspiring leadership. Billionaires with high emotional intelligence possess self-awareness, building strong connections and fostering trust within their teams. They excel in navigating challenges, anticipating trends and staying ahead of the competition. With this skill, they negotiate with finesse, resolve conflicts, and create harmonious solutions. Strategic thinking. An essential skill possessed by billionaires, elevating them to the realm of the ultra-rich. It involves the ability to envision long-term goals, anticipate obstacles, and devise plans to overcome them. Billionaires with strategic thinking prowess possess a keen foresight that allows them to seize opportunities, mitigate risks, and create a path to lasting success in the ever-changing business industry. Leadership. It encompasses the ability to inspire, influence, and guide others towards a common vision. With this skill, they effectively conveying their ideas and motivating their teams to achieve greatness. Leading by example, setting high standards and empowering others to excel. With their visionary mindset, they navigate uncertainty, make tough decisions, and steer their enterprises towards sustained success. Excellent communication. An essential ingredient in their recipe for achieving ultra-rich status. It involves the art of conveying ideas with clarity, influence, and precision. Billionaires with exceptional communication skills possess the ability to articulate their vision, persuading others to rally behind their goals. They listen attentively, valuing diverse perspectives and fostering open dialogue within their teams. Through effective communication, billionaires negotiate astutely and inspire trust among stakeholders, leading to fruitful collaborations and exponential growth. Goal setting and planning. It involves the art of envisioning long-term desires, breaking them down into smaller sections, and executing with precision. Billionaires excel in goal setting by having ambitious yet attainable targets, fueling their drive and focus. They meticulously plan their journey, outlining strategies and allocating resources strategically. With their unwavering commitment to goals, billionaires stay on track, overcome obstacles, and achieve remarkable success. By mastering the art of goal setting and planning, they unleash their full potential, optimize efforts, and pave the way towards a life of extraordinary accomplishments. Attention-savvy investors and finance enthusiasts. Unlock financial freedom and master wealth creation at BraylenAV.com. Subscribe now for a prosperous journey. Sales and marketing. These skills involve the art of understanding customer needs, crafting compelling messages, and strategically positioning their products or services in the market. The wealthy excel in sales by building authentic relationships, demonstrating value and closing lucrative deals. In marketing, they leverage innovative strategies, tap into consumer psychology, and create captivating campaigns that capture attention and drive demand. With their prowess in sales and marketing, billionaires effectively reach their target audience, establish their brand as a market leader, and generate substantial wealth while leaving an enduring impact on the business landscape. Money management. It involves the art of allocating resources wisely, minimizing risks, and maximizing returns. The rich excel in money management by creating diverse investment portfolios, balancing high-yield opportunities with stable assets. They possess a keen understanding of market trends, allowing them to make informed decisions and seize profitable ventures. Additionally, billionaires prioritize financial discipline, setting clear financial goals, and implementing effective budgeting strategies. With the mastery of money management, they safeguard their wealth, achieve long-term financial stability, and secure their position among the elite echelons of the ultra-rich. Time management. It involves the art of prioritizing tasks, optimizing productivity, and making every moment count. Billionaires excel in time management by breaking goals down into steps and allocating their time accordingly. They eliminate distractions, delegate tasks effectively, and maintain focus on high-impact activities. With their disciplined approach, billionaires efficiently navigate their demanding schedules, allowing them to pursue multiple ventures, expand their empires, and achieve extraordinary success. By mastering time management, the rich unlock the key to maximizing productivity, creating more opportunities, and living a fulfilling, balanced life. Innovation. It involves the art of thinking outside the box, challenging the status quo, and introducing groundbreaking ideas to the world. Billionaires excel in innovation by fostering a culture of creativity, encouraging their teams to embrace experimentation and take calculated risks. They identify gaps in the market, envision disruptive solutions, and pioneer industries with bold ideas. With an innovative mindset, the wealthy stay ahead of the curve, continuously adapting to the ever-changing business landscape and redefining what is possible. By harnessing the power of innovation, billionaires shape the future, leave a lasting legacy, and enjoy unparalleled success in their ventures. Entrepreneurial mindset. It encompasses a unique set of qualities, including a hunger for success, a willingness to take calculated risks, and a relentless drive to turn ideas into reality. The rich with an entrepreneurial mindset embrace challenges as opportunities, constantly seeking ways to innovate and disrupt industries. They possess a strong belief in their abilities, coupled with resilience and perseverance, enabling them to overcome obstacles and bounce back from failures. With a forward-thinking mindset, billionaires spot untapped market niches, create thriving businesses, and build wealth that transcends generations. By adopting the entrepreneurial mindset, people can unleash their full potential and embark on the path to extraordinary success. Networking. The art of building and nurturing valuable relationships with like-minded people. Billionaires excel in networking by attending industry events, connecting with influentials, and actively engaging in professional communities. They understand the power of collaboration and leverage their extensive networks to gain insights, seek opportunities, and forge strategic partnerships. With adept networking skills, the rich open doors to new ventures, expand their reach, and gain access to exclusive opportunities. By mastering the art of networking, they enhance their own influence, create mutually beneficial connections, and pave the way towards their own path of wealth. By honing these skills, you unlock the potential to create extraordinary opportunities. Remember, the secrets of the ultra-rich lie not only in their financial achievements, but in their ability to harness unique talents and continuously adapt to a rapidly changing landscape. With dedication, perseverance, and a thirst for knowledge, you have the power to master these skills and embark on your own journey towards extraordinary success.